Hey folks, so I just received some plants I ordered off Etsy from seller LynnsPlants. So let's take a look. Don't want to cut the plant, let me shorten the blade length. Okay, so one of the plants is an alata pitcher plant. So let's take a look-see. It's nice how she labeled them pretty well. So there were two plants I wanted, but it was like buy another plant or pay for shipping, and I'm like, it balanced out. Maybe $1 or $2 extra. So I have one plant. I'll probably see if anyone locally would like to buy off me, because it's not one I need, but wow, this is bigger than expected for a seedling. Oh wow. So it could use some watering, but it's a big seedling. I'm going to have to find a bulb vase worthy of its size. And then the next one is, she provided a card, LynnsPlants, cool beans. So now we look at the next one. This one is Repecca Sopher. I think it's a hybrid pitcher plant. Sometimes I wish these were tied with rubber bands because they would be easier than tape to undo. But we'll take a look at this. What is interesting is I have one that looks like this that I didn't know what it was. So perhaps that's what this is. So if that's the case, I'll probably want to sell this one because it would be a duplicate. Let me grab the other one to show y'all. So I have it very close to it. So I bought this from the local farmer's market. It's pretty red, and this one's a little greener, but this does get direct sunlight. If you look at the pictures, they look very, very similar. So it will be interesting to see if this will be the same, and then I'll probably sell that one as a duplicate. Pitcher plants come in male and female, but if they're a hybrid and then they're propagated vegetatively, they're all going to be the same gender of the same variety. So it wouldn't benefit keeping a second one. And then this is the one I really wanted, the Black Miracle ampullaria. So this is basically the one that I made this order because of. And then it was like, buy 2 plants and pay shipping, or buy 1 and pay too much. So it's cost effective to get more than 1 plant. and it's small, but that's actually better for where I want to plant it, because I had purchased a Black Miracle and I planted it in a bulb vase, but it dried out before I got to it, and apparently I should have had a little longer cording, so it would have done better. The Sanguinea in a similar vase is still doing fine, so it was how I planted it. So this one now should thrive, and I'll be happy, because this is a really pretty looking pitcher plant, because I like the squatty pitchers of the ampullaria and the darkness of the Black Miracle. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you found it inspiring if you're considering purchasing from LynnsPlants. Now you know what to expect with your shipment. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.